Hi everyone, my name is Odal Cosmos, the founder of websiteschool.xyz. Today I'll be showing you how you can add menu bar on your website. After watching this video to the end, you'll be able to add menu to your website. Before we start, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notification when I post a new video. Let's get started. To do this, let's log into our website. Now this is our website. As you can see, we don't have a menu bar. Now to add this, all we need to do is to go to our dashboard, our back end, and then set up our pages. Let's see our pages. I've already set it up. We have the about us page, the blog, contact, and home. So these are the pages I would want to display on the top and menu bar. After that, all you need to do is to go to your appearance and then click on menus and wait for it to load. Now this is the page or the site where it brings you. Now come here, you would want to name the menu and then click on top menu, wait for it to load. The name has been created, has been saved also. Now let's go to page and click on view all. We like our home page, about us page, blog, contact to show on our menu, then click on add menu. We've added it to our menu. Now come here, click on main and then save menu. It has been saved. Now let's visit our site and see if our changes are taking place. Now this is our website. Let's refresh it and see if actually what we've done has been good. As you can see, we have our about us page, blog, contact, and home. And I like my home to come here. All I simply have to do is to go back to my menu, then bring this to the top and have my blog here, and then simply save changes. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that. I believe you actually enjoying the video. Then go back to the website and click on refresh. So basically you see the changes have taken place. So this is how you can be able to add your menu bar on your website, your WordPress website. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned as I will be showing you more videos and concerning to website design. Thank you.